Welcome everyone. Question on electrolytic conduction. At infinite dilution, molar conductance of NaCl is 126.45 ohm inverse semi-square mole inverse, and the transport number of Na plus in NaCl is 0.3963. So the molar ionic conductance of Na plus is, choices are A 50.11 ohm inverse semi-square mole inverse, B 64.12 ohm inverse semi-square mole inverse, C 75.11 ohm inverse semi-square mole inverse, D 42.62 ohm inverse semi-square mole inverse. Answer is A 50.11 ohm inverse semi-square mole inverse. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given at infinite dilution, molar conductance of NaCl is equal to 126.45 ohm inverse semi-square mole inverse. Transport number of Na plus is equal to 0.3963. Molar ionic conductance of Na plus we will calculate. Therefore, molar ionic conductance of Na plus is equal to transport number of Na plus into molar conductance of NaCl. Now we put the values of transport number and molar conductance of NaCl in this equation. Therefore, molar ionic conductance of Na plus is equal to 0.3963. It is the transport number of Na plus into 126.45. It is the molar conductance of NaCl, or molar ionic conductance of Na plus is equal to 50.11 ohm inverse semi-square mole inverse. Thank you for watching this video.